To start off, we're gonna start with the facial spray by Mario. I have already moisturized before this, so I will just let this sink in. Now we're going to prime all over the face with the e.l.f. primer. I did my eyebrows off camera, but you can see a little clip here. Next, I will be applying eyeshadow primer all over my lids. So now I'm going to be using the Jacklyn Heel palette by Morphe, and I will be using the color Beam to clean up my eyebrows. So now we're going to be using Silk Cream as the transition color or our base color. So now we're going to be using this color, Royalty, and we're going to use it all over the lids. In my personal opinion, this step is the most important step because the blending process takes time and patience. It's normal for your hand to start hurting after a while. Just keep on blending. A good tip would be to blend in circular motions. Remember to build up the color slowly. We are now cutting the crease with the Tarte Shape Concealer in the color Fair. I have really small lids since I have almond shaped eyes, so I kinda struggle with cutting my crease, as you can see right here. I know that everything kinda looks crazy right now, but at the end it will all come together and look good. Now I'm going to be using this kind of sparkly teal color called Diva all over the lid. Like I said, blending is really important, so just keep blending in the areas where you think is needed. The next color we will be using is Jada. Here I am wetting my brush with the Urban Decay All Nighter Spray to get more pigmentation. We're going to use Jada in the middle of the lid to bring out that previous color. So now I'm moving into foundation, and I'm using the CoverGirl 3-in-1 foundation in the color 385. I am first going in with a brush and then a beauty blender to achieve a more natural look to the face. I am now moving into cream contouring using the Maybelline Fit Me foundation stick. I have contoured my forehead, nose, cheekbones, and jawline. I am now highlighting underneath my eyes, forehead, chin, and nose. First, I go in with the brush to avoid any harsh lines. We are about to bake with the airspun powder in 070-41. And we are placing this in the areas we previously highlighted. Next, we are moving into lashes. I am wearing the London lashes in the number 109. So now I'm highlighting my nose, inner corners, cupid's bow, and the arch of my eyebrows. I am using the Ofra highlighter in Rodeo Drive. So now we're going in with the NYX lip liner in Peekaboo Neutral. So now we're moving into blush, and I'm using the Milani blush in Dolce Pink. In the bottom lash I am placing Royalty, and in the inner corner I am placing Diva. Lastly, I will be applying the Better Than Sex mascara.
You know the only reason why I went with this color was because of my nails. Before I go, we're gonna do an outfit of the day, so let's start from head to toe. So basically, my earrings were from Cavender's, necklace from Cavender's. This, I got it as a gift for my graduation. This was a Gassy. My belt was American Eagle. I'm pretty sure this was American Eagle too. And then my shoes are my sandals. They're, what are they? Tommy Hilfiger, right? Yeah. So yeah, that's my outfit for today.